How to see unsent messages on Messenger. Here's how. First, start by opening the Messenger app on a device. Make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the hamburger icon located at the bottom right of the screen. In the menu, select Settings. There is no direct way to see unsent messages, but here is a trick. Once you are in the Settings section, scroll down to find the Preferences section. Within this section, click on the Notification and Sounds. Now scroll down further to find the option for Notification Preview and toggle the switch to On position. Enabling this option lets you see preview of incoming messages, including the unsent ones in the notification bar. Once you have enabled the notification preview, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app on a device. Furthermore, find and tap on the notification and status bar. In this section, toggle the switch next to the Show Notification icon. This will ensure that an icon appears in your status bar whenever a new notification such as unsent messages arrive. And that's it. This is how to see unsent messages on Messenger.